Hello there, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon showing you a sneak peek of the Strike a Pose project. This is the project we will be making during the Crop It Home event. I wanted just to show you a little sneak peek of the inside of how gorgeous this project is and the paper collection we'll be using. This is called Messages from the Past, and it is just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful, something to see, my friends. There are kits available for this project. This is the closure back there. I have the project open, and it is just so fun. Lots of things just kind of hanging out, doing its thing. There's a half pocket there with some really fun details here in the book. So you are going to love some acetate windows right in there and all sorts of fun, beautiful things that we're going to make during the live event. So you can pick up your kit or just a ticket only to the live event. This is a functional frame here on the cover. Really fun. This paper collection has such gorgeous quotes, just all sorts of beautiful things that just work beautifully in this project. So check the description box below for the details on how you can get your hands on a kit with all of these gorgeous embellishments. And don't forget to strike a pose. That's the name of the project. Strike a pose in my shop right now.